The goal here is to let you add a file within Shopify or within any application really, and then show you how to update your Mailchimp notifications that go out to people who've signed up for your newsletter, so that when they get their confirmation email, you're sharing that file with them. So first of all, we go into Shopify, we're logged in, we go into settings down here on the left, settings, and then we're going to click on files. So the first thing to do is to upload a file that's going to be what you share when people receive that email. So let's just see what we've got here. What's a good example to share? Okay, so we've got a map. Now, once that's uploaded, what you will see, there's your map, and there is a link here that you can copy. And that's just the web address of the map. So for example, if you put that in there, there's your map. You can upload a PDF if you want to share something like a document. You can upload images. You could upload a video or sound file. Now, what we're going to do now is log into Mailchimp. And we've logged into the Unearthed Beauty, and we've clicked into lists here. And this is the newsletter that we've got linked to our site. So we're going to click into the newsletter by linking on this blue link. We're going to dismiss all this helpful information. Now, this is something they've hidden rather carefully. So you're going to go into sign-up forms. I know that sounds crazy if you're trying to change some emails that people receive, but as far as Mailchimp's concerned, it's what you receive when you sign up, so it's under there. And you're going to go into general forms here. Okay, now this is where people tend to get confused. This grey drop down here is where you need to be looking. So you're under sign up forms, and we're going to drop down, and we're going to say, okay, once they've got all the way through thing, you can either or you can edit any of these, the sign up forms, the thank you page, the opt-in page. What I would suggest you do is put it as late as possible in the process. So there's the thank you page, which is the one that pops up, or there's the final welcome email. Let's edit the final welcome email. And what you will see is your subscription to our list has been confirmed. So let's change that to something like, thank you very much for joining us, your subscription. Please enjoy our complimentary, and then you can link them to whatever it's just that you've created. So I'll say maps here, but it could be some sort of free recipe book or anything that you've created to incent people to join. And then you simply link, and we'll paste in that address that we found in Shopify. If for any reason you've lost that address, don't worry, you can go back to the settings files page and simply copy it here again. Okay. Where are we? Back in Mailchimp. So we've done that, and we've inserted it. And then we'll save. And this is also where you can add, much more text than I've just put, but it's a way of telling your user or giving them something free as a digital incentive when they sign up. Now, just be aware that doesn't act as a digital download protection. Somebody else could potentially still find that link or have it shared with them and be able to download it for free. But typically, you've got more trouble getting people to find your content when you want them to, rather than not find it when you don't want them to. So it's a very easy way of doing this without having to worry too much about protection. And then at that point, what you do to test it is simply go back to your website and sign up like any other user. And what you should find is that in the final email that you get when you've gone all the way through the sign up process, you do get that link, and you can download that document. Okay, good luck.